mice on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak.
Hello, chameleons. Let's play a game. Can you tell me the sound of each animal here? Okay, let's do the first one. This is a tiger. Do you know the sound of the tiger? Yes, the sound of the tiger is a very loud roar. And what does the duck say? That's right. The duck says quack, 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 quack. And what does the sheep say, chameleons? Very good. Ba, ba. And how about this alligator over here? The alligator releases a very low growl. Grrr. How about the giraffe? The giraffe doesn't really have a sound. Only the feet. It bleats. And how about this cow over here? Yes, the cow says moo. Very good, chameleons. How about the dog over here? What does the dog say? Very good. Ruff, ruff. Oh, another cow. Yes, the cow says moo, chameleons. The cat says meow, meow. And yes, another duck. The duck says quack, quack. And how about the goat, chameleons? What does the goat say? The goat says meh, meh. Very good. And how about the snake? What does the snake say, chameleons? Yes, it makes a hiss noise. Oh, look at the horse here. What does the horse say? Neigh. Very good. Oh, look at the little bird here. What does the bird say? Yes, tweet, 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 tweet. And another sheep here, chameleons. The sheep says ba, ba. Okay, how about the pig? This is very easy, chameleons. The pig says oink, 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 oink. Okay, how about the chicken? Yes. The chicken says cock-a-doodle-doo. How about the frog? What does the frog say, chameleons? The frog says ribbit, ribbit. Very good. Okay, let's answer the questions here. Let's choose which sound is perfect for the animal. This is a cat. What does the cat say? Yes, the cat says meow. And what does the cow say? Moo, moo. Okay, how about the frog? What does the frog say again? Yes, ribbit, ribbit, or croak, croak. And the bird says tweet, 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 tweet. And lastly, chameleons, the dog says arf, arf, or woof, woof. There you have it, chameleons. We've learned the animal sounds. Goodbye, chameleons.